There was a boy named Ishan, quiet, shy, and always distracted. He spent most of his time looking down at his phone, his games, his world of noise. But he never looked up to see the people who loved him, especially his father, a humble carpenter who woke up before sunrise and slept long after the moon disappeared. Every morning, his father made 2 cups of tea, one for himself and one for Ishan. And every morning, Ishan drank it without lifting his eyes once. His father would smile softly and say, "Beta, look up. The world has so much to teach you." But Ishan never listened. One winter evening, everything changed. His father didn't come home at his usual time. Minutes became hours. Worry grew into fear. Then the hospital called. Ishan ran through the corridors, heart pounding, mind racing. He saw his father on the bed, weak, pale, but still smiling. "I am okay," his father whispered. "I just worked a little too much today." For the first time in years, Ishan held his father's hand tightly and didn't let go. That night, as he watched his father breathe softly, Ishan realized something painful. He had missed all the moments that truly mattered. A week later, his father returned home and called Ishan to his workshop. He handed him a small wooden box. "I made this for you, a little bit every night." Ishan opened it. Inside was a simple note: "I miss talking to you." Those 4 words hit harder than any scolding, harder than any punishment. Ishan's voice trembled as he whispered, "Papa, I'm sorry. I never realized." His father placed a warm hand on his shoulder and said, "Love doesn't force, beta. It waits, hoping one day you'll look up." From that day, Ishan changed. He woke up early, sat with his father for tea, watched him work, helped him in the shop. They talked, they laughed, they healed. His father taught him how to carve wood, how to shape it with patience, how to build something that lasts. And Ishan built himself. Years later, Ishan became a skilled carpenter, known for creating furniture filled with heart and soul. On every piece he made, he carved one small symbol, an upward arrow. When people asked what it meant, Ishan smiled and said, "It reminds me to look up, because that's how I found my father again."